Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, UCAV, also known as a combat drone or drone, is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that is usually armed, aircraft or ordnance, such as with missiles. Aircraft of this type have no onboard human pilot. These drones are usually under real-time human control, with the human's role in UCAV system varying according to levels of autonomy of UCAV and data communication requirement. Equipment necessary for a human pilot, such as the cockpit, armor, ejection seat, flight controls, and environmental controls for pressure and oxygen, are not needed, as the operator runs the vehicle from a remote terminal, resulting in a lower weight and size than a manned aircraft. While several nations possess and manufacture unarmed UAV, only the United States, Israel, China, Pakistan and Turkey are at present known to have manufactured operational UCAV as of December 2015. A very interesting change of events is that in March 2013, DARPA began efforts to develop a fleet of small naval vessels capable of launching and retrieving combat drones without the need for large and expensive aircraft carriers. This is a sign of what the future holds: drone carrier ships, a very realistic concept that we might see in reality sooner rather than later. In November 2014, the Pentagon made an open request for ideas on how to build a flying aircraft carrier that can launch and retrieve drones using existing military aircraft such as the B-1, B-52 or C-130. The UXV Combatant is a concept warship designed by BVT Surface Fleet, now BAE Systems Surface Ships, which was displayed at the Defense Security and Equipment International, DSI, in 2007. If built, it would be expected to displace approximately 8,000 tons and launch, operate and recover large numbers of small unmanned vehicles for extended periods. The UXV plays the role of mothership, a permanent base and control center for the futuristic unmanned land, sea and air vehicles before, during and on completion of their missions. If approved, it would be expected to enter service with the Royal Navy sometime after 2020. It shares some common design features with the Type 45 destroyer, which will be beneficial both to the ease of production and cost. It is expected the UXV Combatant will feature 2 decks for launching unmanned aircraft, VSTL, vertical/short takeoff and landing, aircraft, and helicopters, arrayed in a V shape. Each deck would be approximately 164 feet, 50 meters, in length. To launch drones VSTL craft, the UXV could be expected to use electromagnetic catapults, and ramps. Ramps are currently used on many aircraft carriers around the world. The UXV is also reported to be capable of launching unmanned underwater vehicles, UUV, from a port on its underside and, in addition, will be able to deploy amphibious troops, just as many destroyers today. To provide covering fire for amphibious operations, each UXV will possibly be equipped with a 155mm cannon, planned as an upgrade from the current 4.5-inch Mark 8 Mod 1 gun. The cannon will be able to fire bursts of 20 rounds, in rapid succession. The UXV will be expected to have the capability of striking longer range targets with vertical missile launch platforms.